Don't raise your child to be too obedient. Make sure to tell them these 9 things. 1. No matter who you're talking to, speak up loudly and confidently. Don't shy away from making eye contact. 2. Don't be afraid of socializing, and don't overly concern yourself with the friendships among classmates. 3. Learn to say no to things you don't want to do, even if it's a teacher asking. 4. If a classmate says something negative to you, confidently respond and stand up for yourself. 5. If someone wants something from you and you don't want to give it, don't timidly refuse. Ask them, "What are you offering me in return?" 6. When you feel wronged, remember to immediately tell your parents. They will always support you. 7. Don't place too much importance on how your teacher perceives you. 8. Have the courage to say no when faced with unfairness. 9. Always maintain.
Today, I hope you take a moment to be grateful for what you do have, for the people who show up for you and the doors